Is your motorcycle not starting when it's on gear, although the clutch is depressed? Let's try a few basic troubleshooting steps. The bike is in gear. I have my clutch depressed, but I can't start it. If I put it in neutral, the bike starts perfectly. This could be a combination of a few different things, which we'll need to check. I think mostly it's the clutch. So this is my clutch, and behind this unit is a switch, which is then sending a signal when the clutch is engaged. Before getting there, let's try to adjust this clutch distance controller. It's now at 1. Let me change it 2 and see if it's making any difference. No change in 2. Let me put it to 3. No. 4. Oh, okay, so this works. Interesting. It seems something to do with the distance and the switch, probably not closing the circuit. Let's try giving this a good cleaning with some electric contact cleaner. So the switch is somewhere here. That's still inconsistent. So let's try to open up that switch and see. Below this switch is this small hex nut, which I try to open. So I managed to take this off, and clearly looks quite dirty and gunky. Let's give it a clean. This looks much better now after cleaning. So there are 2 switches here. I believe one is to disengage the cruise control when the clutch is depressed, and the other one is probably for the starting function. I put it back in, cleaned out the area around it, and now the moment of truth. Let's see if it worked. Chin. So that was a relatively simple and easy fix, saved me a lot of time and maybe some money as well. Although the switch and the technique I showed today is specific to the bike, the concept is the same. So when the clutch is engaged, it closes the circuit, which sends a signal to the bike to let it to start. So you could use it even on your other bikes, and hopefully you find it helpful. Share it with your friends who may have a similar bike or problem, and see you in the next one.